and welcome. My name is Rosemarie. I'm the Gourmet Food Specialist here at Rogers Gardens. Today I would like to introduce myself and introduce a few new exciting products that I have carefully selected just for you. Cooking does not have to be complicated or super fancy. Cooking starts with good quality ingredients. Sounds cliche, but it really is the truth. So much joy comes from the energy and attention you give to your garden, and the bounty of harvest it provides from season to season. Now I'd like to share with you some great new products that I have found that you can stock your pantry with to create memorable meals this season. For the healthy kitchen, we have two brand new organic olive oils. One is from Spain and one is from California. These both have great flavor, very mild but yet rich, and these would go very well tossed with our organic pastas. This organic pasta is imported straight from Italy and is air dried in the traditional method. I found a great line from France called Nicolas Bahe. It has an assortment of French sea salts and peppercorns that you could use for all of your culinary recipes. We have our simple traditional French sea salt, white peppercorns, great for all your white cream soups and vegetables. We have a lemon pepper and a tricolor peppercorn blend. We have Via Terada. This is a Middle Eastern and Mediterranean spice assortment. We have the shawarma blend, harissa pepper, Aleppo pepper, and za'atar. And who doesn't love a cold, creamy bowl of ice cream on a hot summer day? We've got some great toppings that are a little bit different than the ordinary. We have our Tillin Farms Bada Bing cherries in syrup, and we also have our Stonewall Kitchen caramel sea salt and dark chocolate sea salt sauce. So if you had plans to travel abroad to explore new cuisines, look no further than Rogers Gardens Gallery. We've got a great selection of cookbooks from both local areas and from around the globe. For example, this one, Zaitun, it's recipes from a Palestinian kitchen. We also have Jubilee, which is a celebration of African American cooking with heavy New Orleans and French influences. We have Salt and Straw cookbook, bottom of the pot Persian recipes, outdoor cooking, and on boards for all of your outdoor charcuterie, cheese plate entertaining. If you like what you see in this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more tips on gardening, gourmet, and home decor. Cooking is love made edible. Thanks for watching.